Hi there, it's Dovdas, Favro Senior Solutions Engineer. And today, I would like to talk about common mistakes done in Favro when creating your workflows. First, we often see how various different users break down their tasks into various stages or actions for that deliverable. Now here, App Entrance View is broken down into 3 stages that are then added into a Kanban or Scrumban board and being worked one by one. Now the tasks then are updated in the backlog status, which is different from the Scrumban board. This can be done, of course, with automations, but in a way, it's tedious and is not the right way to work in Favro. Instead of breaking down the deliverable into various different stages, we can simply choose to just use that one card for all the stages. Now here in the Scrumban board, we simply drag and drop the deliverable and work on the board. Another addition, how can we improve this, is using the relations column on the backlog. Here you can see we do not have a backlog status, but the proper feature team Scrum board status. Now this is showcasing the status from the board on the right. Making changes will update the deliverable, thus connecting both boards and having one true status. Now, if we still want to work with stages, we can choose another option of setting our Scrumban board or Kanban into various different stages as statuses. That way, when we work on the card, we can see in which exact stage it is. Another common mistake that we see people do in Favro is how tasks are being shared between different teams and team members. Now here we have a couple of team backlogs and their work boards. In a situation where we would need to assign multiple team members or teams to work on a task, we often see that the card has been copied with all the information and then added to a board like this. And then it might be copied again and added to another team board. Now, this is a wrong way to work, as all of these cards are different, and then it's harder to find which card is in which location. As I open up each of them, they will only be applicable for that one board that they are. But in Favro, we have relations that ties all the cards together. So instead of making copies and moving those copies into different boards, we simply can select one of the cards and drag and drop them into the board, like this. In that case, it will be shared between various different boards at the same time. Thus, opening the card will show exactly in which area and in which board the card is currently being worked on through various different teams and stages. And that's how you should utilize the relations feature and instead working on piles of tickets, work with workflows. I hope this was helpful, and as always, enjoy using Favro.